Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create this cool material where you can just like a pixelate your texture but in dots. So like you have this number of dots you can increase and decrease and see each dots have proper shape. No one is cutting. And after that you can add this hue or remove this hue. Then you can dissolve this hue so you can have a little bit variation. And if you have like different texture, like if you take this, see it's working on each, or let me find different texture like these I have. So like this looks cool, but still if you have like color image like this one, and you have just this green part and you want that red part, so you can switch these channels and now it is on red part. Like if I search, I have an AI image, I guess, like this. So now you can see that AI written in the green, so you can switch the channel and now you can work on your green. So cool. So let's start this tutorial. So I have already this material, but I will create that again for you guys from scratch. So let's create a new folder. I'll call it test and I'll put this original file on my Patreon as usual. So you can just check it out. So let's create a material and let me close these tabs. So this will be like m dots test. Okay. So like if you have any texture, like if you take this texture and if I type here logo, I have this CGHOW logo. You can use this Unreal logo if you want. Like let's say you use this Unreal logo. And if I connect this here, this is how it looks.